Hello!
What's it like
Big dogs.
you, huh?
They're strong, but sometimes they need a break too. Let's see what I mean.
Hi. Oh, is this what we're doing? Honey,
He loves you.
I'm sorry to tell you that he's not your best friend.
He's my best friend. Look at him.
แต่ละมื้อแต่ละ day นี่ have the แนวมาให้ think 1 วันนี่ thousand
That
situations
dog is probably laughing at himself right now.
ปวด head กลุ่ม hot
I just a baby.
But you still have to say, okay, mom.
I just a baby.
No, Rex. Rex. It's my hair elastic. No more attitude. Oh. Ow. Rex.
Starter's water sanitary.
Forever Dad's baby.
Questionable to me.
Hey! Hey, you two are being very noisy. Keep it quiet in here, okay? Thank you.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
That was a quick one. I didn't even see it coming. Looks like someone's a little too excited. No matter how big this dog is, he always gets the front seat like a baby.
It's not for you, Banks. Okay, all right.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Good. You just like anything touching your damn fur. Okay.
He may be a big dog, but he's a little softy beside Mom.
Huh? Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Roll over.
That dog is definitely not giving up. He's a true athlete.
괜찮아. 어? 괜찮아요. 괜찮아. 괜찮아.
This cat looks like a human baby in a cat suit.
Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Oh.
They're just having a little disagreement. It's nothing serious.
A lot of people were like, go pet that dog. Go pet that dog. What you don't understand is that me and my girlfriend's dogs switched owners. Like, my dog doesn't care about me at all. Just absolutely wants to be around her all the time.
Oh my god.
Someone's been watching too many 80s music videos.
Who got nuts about me? Ta-da! Who did that with that girl?
You want to own the dream? Nuts about my mama. Nuts about my mama? Yes. What? Value. Shake, baby. Shake. Value. Ooh, yeah. Get it?
Oh, you gonna cover my leg?
Aww.
All right, cover my leg.
Aww. So sweet.
Oh, that's a nice baby.
when the couch says, "You're done here." Why use my legs when I can use a car?
I am tired.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
The artist is so proud with his art.
What the dog doing?
Bruh.
New career unlocked, canine architect.
Bruh.
The dog is clearly planning its next move.
Gotta tell you something. You are adopted. How do you feel about that? You're adopted.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
She is definitely not going to forget that smell. Mom's compliment is the best cure for a bad day.
Wow, cowboy, good squeaking. You're the best squeaker.
That's one way to make sure you get fed. I'm not sure it's the most effective though.
You've got like an hour. It's not dinner time.
When Dad shows up, and life instantly gets 100% better.
In your head, in your opinion, like, am I a mom that's put together, has her shit together, like, takes care of you to the best of her ability? Or do you, like, think I'm, like, a stoner, lazy mom? What do you think?
Place. Come. Place.
Hi, what are you looking at? This dog's like, I'm ready to go on an adventure. Are you? Rhubarb is the worst hider ever. She needs to try harder.
Hello!
Sit. Paw. Other paw. Speak.
The dog is so desperate for that treat, he's willing to do anything.
Easy.
That look says, how dare you, human? This is a big, tough dog, but this cat is a whole different story. When you've spent so much time together, you're practically twins. My face when I realize it's Monday again.
ข้างไปตายแล้วตื่นขึ้นมาเสียแต่เงินใกล้จะตายละกูนี่เราจะตายไว้มึงหรอกตาย
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
They're eating the pets of the people that live there. And this is what's happening in our country.
ABC News did reach out to the city manager there. He